2016 BMW X5. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, dual panel moonroof, wood grain trim, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, HID headlights, power driver seat. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.